In this video, I'm going to show you how to write in Xodo. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Comment tab, and then on here you have a bunch of different options to write. So the first one is this typewriter. If I click on it, I can just click anywhere on my screen, and I can go ahead and just start typing like this. And of course, you could just double click that and then right click, and here you can make it like bold, italic, whatever you want to do. And of course, after that, you can select the hand tool, click on that text, and you could go over here inside these settings where you can basically change the color, the font, transparency, size, stuff like that. So that's the first way. The second one is the call out, which is basically works like this. So if I just click here and drag out, this is like a call out where also I can start typing if I want to. And down here are all the settings. You have a text box, which just draws a text box wherever you want it to, and you can start typing in whatever you want. Again, settings are down here. You also have sticky notes. So if you want to add a note like here, for example, you can add a sticky note like this, and you can make it anywhere you want. So for example, here, whatever, and you can start typing in here as well. Again, there's options in here too, you can change. And then of course, you could do it more manually as well. There's also options for that. You could use something like maybe the pencil or a marker up here, which will allow you to go ahead and start basically kind of writing. So this is not actually typing, but it's still writing. Okay, you could do that as well if you wanna. And you have the marker as well, which is primarily meant for marking, but of course it's going to work for some bigger text as well, just like this. And last but not least, you could also use the edit tool. So if I go to the home tab, click on edit and make sure that text is selected, then I click on edit over here, and I can go ahead and just select some random text here, for example like this word, and I could go ahead and of course edit the text in there, and I could go and basically change and write next to it. So that's basically how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.